Hey, this is Abdi Salam Tor, CSE 110, Winter 2019, Wellman, and this is Quiz 2, Exercise 2, YouTube problem. It's basically the same as the Quiz 1 question, except it's asking you for fractions. You start off with the sum of cum equals 0. For I in range 1, 102, 2, I kept it the same because you can't have floats or fractions in general inside the for loop. It doesn't work. Then I went on to say sum of cum plus equals 1 over I, and if I were to make I the denominator, the range would still work. Print the total is sum of cum, run, get the total is 294,767.